Hey guys, Dennis Sepulveda here from REALTOR.ca, and I've got your market update here. I'm going to try to do things a little bit differently this time. Now, I want to try to do things a little bit differently. I'm not just going to throw out all the numbers at you like I usually do. If you guys are interested in getting a copy of the stats, please just reach out to me. I've got stats and stats for days. It breaks it down by neighborhoods, by bands, so condos, detached, townhouses, by price points, by everything. So if you want a copy of those, just reach out to me. I'm happy to send you those anytime. What I want to do today is just kind of go over some of the big picture stuff and just kind of show you what's been happening in the neighborhood. So we'll start off with the major stats. So the big things that are happening are, well, the Real Estate Board of Greater Vancouver reports that residential home sales are up 73.3% from February of 2020, and they're up 56% from January of 2021. That's 42.8% above the 10-year February sales average. So what do those numbers mean? You're up 56% from January of 2021. I mean, January was a record-breaking month. It was bigger than December. December was bigger than November. November was bigger than, and on and on and on. It just keeps going. We're just having record-breaking month over record-breaking month. It's insane. It just continues and continues. I've got here the Home Price Index numbers right in my hand. So this is Home Price Index from the Real Estate Board of Greater Vancouver, and it breaks down every neighborhood and how much the prices have gone up. Let me just read you a couple of these highlights. Single family detached homes. So let's look at specific neighborhoods. Coquitlam single family detached homes were up 3.2% in 1 month. Just 3.2% in 1 month. In the past year, they're up 15.9%. Ladner is blowing up. They are up 7.7% in 1 month. 7.7% 1 month. In 1 year, they're up 20%. So if you own a home in Ladner, you're doing very well right now. Maple Ridge, they're up 4.5% in just 1 month. 4.5%, that's what you expect to return in a year. They're up 4.5% in 1 month, 18.2% in 1 year. Pitt Meadows, they're up 5.3% in 1 month. Squamish, they're up 4.3% in 1 month. Whistler, they're up 4.3% in 1 month. Let's look at townhouses. Ladner townhouses up 5.9% in 1 month. Maple Ridge, they're up 4.8% in 1 month. Pitt Meadows, they're up 4.6%. Coquitlam up 5.6%, 1 month, townhouses. Let's look at condos. Ladner is just crushing it right now, 5.4%, 1 month. Pitt Meadows up 4.4% in 1 month. Whistler up 4.8% in 1 month. This is massive growth in a short amount of time. If you're thinking of buying and you're thinking, well, maybe I should wait and see what happens, wait for this market to calm down, well, I don't think that's a good idea. I think these prices are going to continue to go up. And why do I think that? Well, check out these stats from Realtor.ca. Realtor.ca is a search engine if you're not familiar with it. Most people go there when they're looking for homes. It's one of the bigger players out there, along with REW, REMAX, and a few handful of other ones. So what Realtor.ca stats, let's check these out. In the past year, people looked at property pages 1.7 billion times. That's up 73% from last year. 1.7 billion. Now, keep in mind, this is for all of Canada, but also keep in mind that Canada only has a population of about 37 million people. So this is huge. We've got lots of people searching for homes. Check out this graph. It shows that since May of 2020, the average number of visitors to Realtor.ca is up 50%. And as we all know, May is when we started to go outside and everything changed. So this graph shows everything that's happened from May. So we're up 50% since May. Now what's really interesting is look at this graph. So this graph shows that the number of listings since May of 2020 are down 19%. This tells me that we have a massive increase in demand and a huge lack of supply, which is why we're seeing bidding wars. When I go out to showings now with clients, we're seeing groups and groups of people waiting outside. Of course, they have the COVID protocol, so there's tons of people waiting outside, waiting for their time slots. Bidding wars, everything's going over asking, subject free. It's crazy. There's just so much demand out right now, and there's very little supply. So what does this all mean? Like I say, if you're thinking about buying, I don't think this trend is going to end anytime soon. There's so much demand. Realtor.ca stats show me that there's just so much demand out there. My phone, I've been very, very busy nonstop since May of 2020. So I know there's a huge demand out there, and I don't think it's going to slow down anytime soon. Again, if you guys want a copy of these stats, reach out to me anytime. If you have any questions about buying or selling, call me. I'm happy to talk to you, send you the stats. Thank you so much for listening, you guys, and have a great day and hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.